It is time to start our final project of our 2024 HusKAL, the Cornhusker Mittens. You can see by the amount of yarns that I have left, which yarn is going to be the background of my mittens. And this is what the mittens look like. They are specific right hand and left hand. And this is Kay's. Kay's is a small size. You'll notice that when Kay knits, her arrows go in opposite directions because she's a left-handed knitter. Yours, if you're not a left-handed knitter, will look like these mittens. These are the large pair of mittens, large. So there's adult small, adult medium, adult large, and adult extra large. So these are the adult extra large where I cast some 44 stitches. And it's just a rolled cuff that you will start with. And what we will be doing is you can do both of your cuffs this week. So how you will receive the patterns is you'll get the cuffs this week. Next week, you'll get the right hand mitten. And you will work the gusset. And it's a unique style of gusset that you can see. So we're just going to do one of these at a time. The next week after that, you'll get the left gusset. And then you'll get the rest of it, including finishing the thumb. So we'll get started with the mittens. So as we've discussed, A, B, C stays the same the whole way through. What you start and use is different based upon your project. The difference here with this project is you will be using a US 5. I am a loose knitter, and I did use a US 5 to knit mine. The reason we use a 5 instead of what we've been using for our other projects is we want a more dense mitten, and this will help create that. We will work the cuffs, and when you work the cuffs, you can follow the written directions, or there's a great chart. And as we know in reviewing, we read right to left and go all the way around, repeating it's a 4-stitch repeat. You could put markers if you would like to. You've had some experience with this, so you might try it without the markers, and then you'll work up until you've worked through rounds 1 through 13. So you start by casting on, and you cast on whatever you need for the size that you're going to make. And then you knit 4 rounds. Now in the pattern, that knit 4 rounds is at the very end of the cast on instructions. So don't forget to knit the 4 rounds. And then it says follow the cuff chart or the written directions. And it's a pretty simple, basic kind of color work that you're familiar with. So it's 2 and 2, and then you'll offset it so that your arrows will get going. What I would encourage you to do, we do work on a magic loop. So you'll come back and use your magic loop because we're working I have only 44 stitches on here. You're going to be working with a magic loop so that you can knit the circumference. What I have done is I have knit 1 cuff. So here's my cuff with the color work that you can see. Really looks neat. And then I cut the yarns. So, you could divide. I could have divided my gray up. And then I could have knit both of the mitts at the same time. But, and this is just a needle that's close in size. I don't even know if it's exact size that I put the other cuff on. So I would recommend knitting both of your cuffs this week. So I've knit this one, and now I'm ready. I've cast on, I've joined in the round, and I'm ready to begin my color work, which I'm not going to demonstrate because we've been talking about that all along. But go ahead and get both of your cuffs knit if you'd like. And then next week, what we will do is we will work on the right hand mitten and forming the gusset. And the gusset does have color work in it as well that you can do along with forming your, laying out your gusset which is what this is called. And we'll put these stitches on a waist yarn and then come back and finish the thumb. And then we'll finish from there. So this will be a fun adventure for you to learn how this mitten is knit. So this week, get both of your cuffs done. You don't have to do both of them, but if you want to, you certainly can. And then next week, we'll get the right hand mitten. Let me put it on so you can see how they fit. They really fit nice. They're nice and long, which makes it nice under a jacket. And they fit snugly, which is what you want your mittens to do.